It's a beautiful day today. New home. New home. New home. And new island. Can I jump right here? And then. Quiet. Oh, I'm creative. Sorry, guys. I gotta do something, you know? I hope no one will mind. What? I'm gonna build this open hand. Oh, why we handed the pots?
No?
My beautiful home right there. Hello, sir. I would like. There's no one like this.
Listen na to. Ikaw mo ka eh. Easy.
Where is the strings above me? Swimming! Yacht. I have a ton of yachts. Gimme. Gimme an. What is this? Whoa. I don't know if this is the end of the island. I build in the island. Is this a real island? Or is that just the... Is this a true island? Or the border is just short? I gotta explore this because
Ano nangyari? Hindi na naman daw? Ayaw daw?
hey, what? Look at my run speed. I'm walking on air too. This is how I walk. This is how I run. I think this is a true island.
Hindi ka barbecue doon? No.
I think I thought the path is just too stupid for a second. Is that path? It's gone out. It's got. Let's see. Yeah. So we will be at the end of the. We build in the. I build in the end of the world. I think.
This rabbit mated with this cat, and you'll see the result is completely crazy. It was
This is the highest mountain. There's a cliff. Go, 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 go. I have nothing to do, so I just like this. But so I have something to tell you guys. I'm gonna post 5:30 p.m. or 6 p.m. in Philippines. Only Philippines time. I live in Philippines. I'm from Philippines too. I know some Filipino stuffs. I wanna go swimming. I wanna explore the yachts. Whoa, this is better than my other old home. Let's explore this. Yep, guys. This is the underworld. How is the water like just floating like a normal? Is this a glitch? Because there's no border. Like, what the heck? There's no border, guys. I think we build in the corner of the island. I think. No? Okay, no. Yes. We built in the corner of the island. That is super crazy. Let's see. Oh. It's crazy, like it's just a huge triangle. I can't see anything. Oh.
Ha? Bakit?
na
When you
Ano kanina?
sabi naman nila sa'yo yun eh.
Oh, ano gagawin?
Kung maski kailangan lang
I like the water sound.
sabi ko ma'am, yes yun ako.
When you
Bukas 7 AM na madami kinat drive. Tapos sa lunes, sa lunes nagtanong ako. Jim, sino pong magasang speaker sa lunes? Ang bilis na sick eh. Ikaw, gawin agad eh. Sinabi ko ngayon kay Ma'am Doris yung ngayon eh. Sabi ko, Ma'am Doris, huwag kayong pumasok sa lunes. Tapos para malaman naman.
Oh.
Sabi nga sa Ma'am Doris, oh, ikaw, di ba na? Pero syempre, para kita, normal na kami kapatid. Pumasok ko naman. Hayaan mo sila. Pick up naman tayo. Sabi ko.
why I'm just silent all of this sudden, guys.
I-advance ko na namin yung ano.
Ikaw di it.
Bayaran na yung araw mo na po.
Ikaw di it.
Sabi ko, isama ko namin yung araw.
DB time. DB time.
May ginawa ka bang
DB time.
Hindi, sinabi ko sa
Oh,
sinabi ko naman yung yun. Kailangan tayo ng Berlin. Nakakasip.
nah.
Ganun din eh. Tapos kung Monday namin may pasa, baka Wednesday para wala magbibigay sa akin. Hindi nga din.
ayos na? Nangyari. Doon niya, bumigay na.
Sa throttle.
Bumigay, ang bagal eh.
Kaya na nga, di ba, ano, pinaka nyo lang, 33. Yung ano eh, takbo lang eh.
Ito bago ka tulong throttle, dapat nung isang araw pa, di ba, trabit natin yung throttle na bago. Kasi isa, hindi rin yung ano. Di ba? Ito lang pala.
Tapos ano eh, di ba, nasa 30 eh. Kung nga baba ng 25, nagugulat ako eh. Hindi ako nagatos. Meron lang kung sabi siya yung break, kumaandar pa rin kanina eh. Kumaandar pa rin, bumabagal lang eh.
Kala ko. Grabe na din. Kala ko yun lang eh. Isilang tayo, isilang ako dito, tatlo tayo.
I got the book. Don't rush.
Hindi. Ano ba yun?
I'm not gonna book because you are watching mine. I have a motorcycle. Motorcycle. Brum, brum.
Kaya ako ito BTR eh. Ano? Pero, kapag BTR, ano? Alam ko na lang din, pati ako ito na
Yeah.
Sabi niya kahapon, balik bukas, so pero manangitak ng ulam. Kasi ang tirat ni Ma'am Jean, Ma'am Berlin.
I have the infinity pool.
Kaya nga sabi niya sige.
This
So, dapat kakausapin, hindi dala ko ito.
this is really like. Bye guys. God, just joking.
Yung Roblox ah.
Mike lang. Ganon.
If I was the admin, I guess.
Grabe, bigay ko sana may pag-uwi ko eh.
Bakit?
Kaya bukas ako umaga eh. Wala pa yun. 3.5.
Sigaw ko 500.
Pero may bawas pa rin eh. Kasi malapit lang daw eh.
Hindi 3K.
Wait, stone slab.
Roblox ah.
Stone
Pwede ako si JM. Si JM ay gano'n? Emin.
Kaya, Roblox din.
Hindi.
Oh. What? I'm running. And I guess that.
Kasi Roblox.
Tulungan ko lang yan dito lahat oh.
Nasa mathematics program.
Oo, yan o, dyan o. At least ano, hindi na ako mag-iisip o.
Bye guys, see you later. See you again in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye guys. Bye.